Hi there, I'm Felicia with DEK Designs, and what I'd like to show you today is our stunning sunflowers bundle. And this bundle is one of my favorites because I love green, and sunflowers are like my second all-time favorite flower. To me, it really says summer. I also like sunflowers in the fall, but the colors on this are so vibrant and the girls that are featured with the kit, let me pull out a die cut here. I'll show you them all here in a second, but the girls that are featured are in this lovely little denim sundress, and they're sleeveless. And some of the other imagery is, of course, the lemonade stand. With the foiling in this, I just love it. Let me see if I can, there we go. Make that gorgeous foil shine in this weekend banner. It's one of my favorite fonts that they used for this bundle. By bundle, I mean that it came with some extra planner goodies, more than just your deluxe 6-page kit. The deluxe 6-page kit comes with your 8 decorative full boxes, 8 ombre heart checklists, to-do headers, today headers, littles. The littles consist, in this kit, they consisted of meals and asterisks, and some sidebar items such as weekly habit trackers and the Monday through Sunday trackers. What I loved most about this was the sunflowers, especially with these pops of dark. And I really think that DEK did a stunning job with the foiling. The font on the headers is also really, really pretty. I'm going to show you real quick the leftovers I had after doing my full no white space spread. These littles and headers here. Some of the flag checklists. What I do with my extras is I use them in my white space memory planning. We had some little flags and a few labels. Some half boxes, quarter boxes, some bill dues. And then let me bring out the lovely sheet of deco. This was personalizable, so you picked your skin tone in the kit that you received. But the deco comes with a girl in light and dark skin tone. My son especially loved this cute little truck, so I have a feeling he's going to want that from me. The bundle also came with these die cuts right here. Let me see. We got sunglasses, a lovely single sunflower in a vase, super cute little lemonade stand. I love the yellow gingham home, a beautiful little picture of lemonade. I especially like this little lantern right here. A fresh lemon, a stack of books or magazines, and then of course the girl and skin tone of your choice. As well as, for this particular bundle, a jumbo notepad, and it came with like 30 sheets, and you personalized it with either your name or maybe a special word. I think I might get darling on one of mine one of these days. But I like to see my name on things, so I got Felicia. Different bundles DEK has will have different fonts. Some of them are more soft and feminine based on the particular kit it goes with, but this was summery and fun, and this was a good font, I think, for them to pick. When you order with DEKdesigns.com, you always get some special loving goodies, little freebies from the company. The ones that I received with this particular bundle were this one right here. My favorite is this cute Boo Bear head right here, and I haven't brought myself to use it yet. I'm kind of hoarding it because it's just so cute. I don't want to squander it. So you get this freebie here with Boo Bear doing a couple of different activities, and some new panda doodles. Who doesn't need that coffee one, right? And then the other freebie for this particular order was this little hollow foiled, I think it's peg, planner peg. And she's got Happy Meal, and she's got popcorn and a Coke. It says work and a laptop, and here's a lazy day on a couch. And this one says not today. And this one's like a movie reel with popcorn and a Coke. So I especially like those. There is a sheet. Let me see if I can pull it out here. There is a sheet I ordered of her too that I liked a lot. I don't think I can find it at this time. But it was Mom Life. This planner peg here, she is available in several different specific themes and tasks. And also in the foil of your choice. So she's quite versatile. But this would have been a plan with me. However, it seems my little phone can't hack it. So this particular kit and how pretty I think this turned out was just too lovely to squander. So I thought it best to show you the different aspects of the bundle, all the beautiful goodies it comes with, and highlight that foil so you could see it in use. And if you were a white space planner, you could get so much more spreads out of this than just the one in a white space, and then what I'll do extra with my white space planner. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I encourage you to snag this for yourself. If you get in by midnight tonight on July the 8th, you can use code Felicia50 for 50% off everything on dekdesigns.com. After that, there is a running 30% off code that you can use. But if you haven't gotten this yet and you love it as much as I do, I encourage you to go ahead and get it, because it is a limited edition bundle, so we won't have it forever. Thanks for joining me. Have a great weekend. Bye.